impromptu video because we just had a downpour in Hunstanton, and thunder and lightning. Look, water droplets. Ran outside to make a YouTube video because it's rained, and I know, oh look, there's another pigeon. A puddle. I know I just made a video where I said it rained, but this was real rain. It was like a downpour, and there was thunder and there was lightning and everything, and it went on for like half an hour. Look, the grass is wet. Wet wood. We've not seen that in about 6 weeks here. The state of the grass. Just finally been watered. These just going through the Esplanade gardens now. So yeah, we just had all of that just blew over Hunstanton basically. Clear skies on the horizon, literally. I cannot remember a time when I was so excited to see some rain, real rain. We just had some drizzle yesterday, but that was actual downpour level thunderstorm, lightning, rain. I kind of want it to come back so I can film it. This is where I filmed the eclipse sunset time-lapse. So that's the lamppost in the video. Everyone's coming back out now, but I bet everyone just scarpered during that downpour. The sun just breaking through the cloud. I want it to rain again. There's a seagull. Look. If you visit Hunstanton, don't feed the seagulls. You never get rid of them. There's Henry. Fear not, grass of Hunstanton green, for you shall now be replenished. That's Henry's chip shop. That's Fisher's chip shop. I'd say they're the best two in town, but it's subjective. I don't want to start an argument about that. I came outside to make a video about the rain. The soil is now brown. Close to 2 months it's been since it looked like that. Let's go down to the front. See the patches of brown. It actually rained. The boat from my last video is out on the wash again. There's the bike strip. It's still a little bit early, but most evenings throughout the whole summer, even though it's a Wednesday evening, it still gets pretty busy down here. I bring my bike down here. Friday night's quite popular. Wednesday the 19th of August 2026. It's been about 6 weeks since it rained properly, and it just did for about half an hour. That way you got the cloud behind me, that way you got the sun. Dry, wet, dry, wet. An actual puddle. Another puddle. I'll stop pointing out puddles. This is what the rain will do to a usually quite busy promenade. There's literally no one here. It's Wednesday evening in the middle of summer. It rained for about half an hour, quite heavily. Thunder and lightning. Deserted. And I know it's only a Wednesday evening, but you still get quite a lot of people down here in the middle of the week in the evening because it's the summer holidays. What happened was I was checking the weather because I was going to go out for a ride on my bike tonight, and it said it might be cloudy and rain at about 6. It was about 5:30, and within 5 minutes the weather, it was like this, okay, and it just completely changed and the heavens opened, and it's actually quite nice now. I just thought I'd document that. Another puddle. Don't know if you'll be able to make this one out, but on top of the roof of that kiosk, look at that, isn't that glorious? That huge puddle. Topic for another video, but this place here, the lookout, is probably the best view you'll get in Hunstanton. You can look out towards the cliffs down there. Tide's out at the minute. That cafe do really good breakfast, by the way. And they haven't paid me anything to say that. Anyway, quick impromptu video. So my name is Kiddy, the channel is Norfolk Kiddy, and if you love the rain, if you love the Norfolk coast, please hit subscribe. See ya.